Ebusuafo mama kwa abanso edeba Tatale TV eso. And there so another episode. Anan komo twetwe a meni Abran TV eba betwetwe. Na onye bi sase nkomo ban ne eba betwetwe. Abran TV a sebio oye fashion designer. Nanso nyankopon ama no akyede bi a wasan bi atwere enhoma ede ama adasa. Na empempi no ye kase mmabunu ne de nyempa kenkan ne nyempa adesua. Nanso we de enye no bia. We de enimdi a owo no wakeka abom ede ya yenhoma a ende yakwa akotwe na ba ene nyina eba betwetwe nkomo na wakyere ne nhoma no wote ya watwere no. Summary because Musumfu Tatale minemo ene di nkomo yi. Stick and stay abra ye kɔ ne nkyɛn na yene no akɔtwetwe nkomo aba. Amete ma akɔ aba.
Yeah, bro, mejeso.
Ene de yene ye wa ha. Ene to nsafo aba betu ye na nipa ba ne no etwetwe nkomo ne.
Oh, okay. Media de Imano Sapon Imano. Yeah.
Na Sapon Emmanuel oyeden.
Oh, okay. Professionally, I am a teacher.
Okay.
I am a teacher and as a facilitator. And I'm also a fashion designer.
Okay.
I'm also a farmer there. And I do other stuff in addition.
Wow. And I think what you do money now?
Oh, mentioning Obi aka so be adwuma be 10 na 2020 crash maybe be everything here either directly or indirectly you'll be doing it without your direct involvement until you can be doing.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
Okay. That's by the way now. You hona you say no a branch be atwere homa.
Okay.
Na sani ya yen nim no say o say opeso de BBC eyo bibini a fashion woman.
Sure.
But me gidi say asesisi a na ntesa me hunu say mmaburu no asori sua homa.
Sure.
Na senia onso wa hu homa so emfaso no. Na wakuche homa no. Ye pese ye din komo fa enhoma na wakuche ede aba amansa ho.
Okay.
Na ansa na no me bisa say enhoma no about then.
Okay, the book is about book no different purposes.
Okay.
Like I said, the book is about wealth creation.
Okay.
Say kwanya bafaswa obe create wealth and I say sikasem mabe to me ayeye. Na afenso so the book no is about say debunk some misconceptions I was system name say obianim say so nipa betima yeye ana obi apeso ye adwuma age se obi employ no otwen ekoya abanjuma ana so otwen emobi fa no eno ana mehu say that is not it. That is not the truth. Wealth is not all about say oh yeah obi adwuma ana say oh yeah abanjuma ne mom wankasa obetumi create your own wealth by doing other stuff everyday e dia manipa.
That means say enwoma na we kuche ne say making kan a ebeboa me ama mehu se ne menye sika ana say nya menye sika ama me ho.
Sure, ebeboa mo wankasa obuhu kwan obefa so a obe create wealth ana say wankasa obuhu kwan obefa so a sika beba wonsem a enye say abrebian ukwohye obi ase akoye bibi ansana on setting de ben akowa no.
Say ebetwen say obi befa ya adwuma no.
Befa wa adwuma.
Obi wankasa betumi
aye bibi.
Wow.
Very possible.
Okay.
In our setting ewo your system your season quite very simple with technological AGI womi any AI nyade very simple say obetimi create your own wealth and as other sources of income on chain say obi ebe employee. But the problem you want to say na say now di kan shoot no and say Uba Africa ha most of us empe books ya say empe book kan so be kan book na ye de kwa exam and I say oh you Christo ni ko be kan book na ye Bible after Bible na bia wa kan so for book bi but book boy ama yitimi navigate through life no ye mpene kan ya mani na akwa ye say mafo na kan book and one problem is when they say na most of the authors of books no they are white men, white people into a much book no to suit their culture,
Okay.
suit or more certain no, but you need most of Africans are a true book. But Mr. Dean and who said no. It was said Radi at the BB Shroud, the Radimaunia and Tiasin in Dibia. One of the channels I'll be to pass it through to your generation, and they say you put it down in a writing form. And into the Mametana say, I imagine say, no, be a radio bios watch me through experience and through reading and also the encounter that I've had with other people. No matter whom be a was semi generation in whom to say no. Say me to me, I be a better how I answer now how be able to me a benefit here. I just am sure in a form of book.
Okay. Wow. Sure. I was saying for you say you do baby and small say very interesting. Say a young guy na what dream one say no. I was say or train maybe and my yen and mabunu no so a king kind. Na ye to me be baby e be my home. Say obi wo hon ma no we school kura so no so onya adwumenti no amana ye de otifie wa bo asesa na so say onya nimdie kakra bi wo sane obeti e bi adwuma ama ne ho a kadami say on nanti basabasa ana say on bo asesa sa na book no dey the same
book no book no dey ne de me hu dey no kra na esai mystery ana say e ma mani je e wo mi mu. Now, the title of the book is Salary is Slavery.
Salary is Slavery. Me find any salary is slavery. Salary is slavery. I'll say how to free yourself from salary mentality and create your own wealth. Salary is slavery.
Okay.
Now, I'm passing a book at the Ama and Mabuna Momo who send ya almost me aye bibidia momo. Now I didn't see now fast that title.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the question. Question is very nice. Me for title way salary is slavery because of the medical case and sana me babe show book we no. Book no it encompasses my life challenges and my life experiences. My babe film. Na me check the meaning of salary. And now we check the meaning of salary. It is gotten from the Latin word which means sal.
Okay.
And I say sal no or the ba yen English when I can say salt.
Okay.
And to share salary with the introduction of salary, the amount salary by a year in the ancient Rome no. Now salary a penny and I say skaketu bia omode soldiers e mo omode tonchene.
Okay.
Inti o share eni krai uko ye market mu a ye pe commodity a efu pa ye nchene.
Okay.
Inti sa o share sika ye di mu obi e ma de tonchene a in the olden days that was the idea behind the introduction of salary at the end of the month. That means send it be ma wa de tonchene. O I ka say ma 5 cedi abetimi da den. Obetimi de tonchene. But o share say obi afa o na o ma wa ye adwuma. Oshe enoma bebu akwam any sanyo mani nyina na at the end of the day e bia amount of skill be ma on the focus ni say what they punch near intimi share Mr. D said the medical can me try there is also pama there na Mr. D at the channel Mr. D at the pam and na me share emre bu akwam any at the end of the day the minya free ha any the minya free ha e ma me betia say no there is a mentality a be right mu a yes slavery mentality akwakoye enkwaso mentality you the white man that brought salary any white collar jobs near the mentality ni say obe empower ama wa ye a man of your own nimum to ingrain a certain mentality or the adwini bi shey trim say ye be serve
that means say ono de nigire ni nyina na say wo betumi asom
ye be ye nkoa na say ye be som
wo be boa na mo no akọ nanim ba wo de be bia wo no ase wo hyeda ntumpon bebre bia sa
but wo boa nipa no ama ono no anya de opese wonya until with time no na say ye benya union so de kakra ana ya modifier no ye ko okay salary so we aketu so yentum kakra yen fa incentives kakra ma but we share the mentality and the original it was about it was about slavery and how to compensate the slaves and the people and the benya salary it will shock you say a lot of people salary earners but they don't know the meaning of salary. They don't know the origin of salary. Yes.
Wow. I was saying for me say interview na say who enjoy interview no because and me kra na me kra me nim say salary ni ade bia na nka de to nyama nketenkete bi say nchene no nyama tete no me giri say onso a wo hwe no usua bibi e de free abanti ho yeah opani na book no what does it entail say na egu book ni ma e wo say me ye adwuma se bi me ye adwuma metumu se o maketua meji ye mame nti na wo say hia se me be kenkan sa book.
Okay, the American say say what you know is not all that there is. What you are privy to is not all that is available. The only no you may be okay, but if you are exposed to other options, you will know say, oh, okay, said me, that is not all. Okay. And instead I can hear other things aside teaching. No? But in terms of metro book no striking. And yes, I wanna me person metro book.
Okay.
I had something I wanted to tell my generation, but I didn't know how to put it into on January 2025. Okay. This year, yeah. Now I was in class teaching. Now me child na me message alert me te bring me ntimi na me ko share na salary na aba na me share amount na buy no me yam share me taking say me fashion designer na me share December me ma kwan kakra kwa sika me timi nya out of me fashion designer me kakra no na me share me salary for the month na ana question be pin me say is this my worth for a month into you sure say we need me bo me suma na said is this my worth for a whole month inti ya woje no you may feel say we okay but say o kind book where you know say there are some possibilities in you and as you did in your paper it can give you more than someone is giving you inti enipa we are restricted to what the salary scale is placing on us because the salary scale on say first say kwako bobo it will be jina bibi so yes say ye weighing scale it mean say 50 and a bit my primary unya 55 sister or more primary enti so ba salary mu so ye weighing scale enti ye kwatete na no mo fast slaves e de omo eye adwuma na no mo jina scale so scale na kire wo du se bia wo we 8 na se wo mu du enti e be kire sika de be ma wo but o share salary so ene ya e wo bibia ye friend no skill salary skill and the first no near mass slaves nijina weighing skills no ene unyina weighing skills by the numbers anyway until we be a friend say be a PSH 1.2 2.5 2.6 and actually we do editua oka intimation na mu say no and no your number obi dia to me so say we na me mu do titie but me anso me hwe me ho a enya sa na me mu do titie intimi checking na me say there be me wo madwuma me ye no me a metimi de value bi to me ho titimi ka say there be me pa matare ba ko bi am de be 500 cedi but the wa employ me no say month ni nyina my worth is 2,500 and 3,000 inti is it all that there is nyame ma me bibi wo me mu a say me necha na me ma ne ye ya metimi de value bi ato me ho so than the salary scale they are to me so na and that is what the book is talking about say we read the book we say no there is innate abilities be in you either say usua and as when you ba won so ubetumi de value bi and agbo bi ato won so e be ma wo edu and as be ma on sama basika than the obi afa wadwuma or the amount no ko ye wo say need the my worth is be 5,000 into you are okay no say if you know more you can do better or you can do more.
Anti dami say emfaso ba ko benya wo so ne say ebema aboa wo say adwuma wo ye no ubetumi aye more aka ho
yes
ama wenya anase wenya extra income bia
wenya extra income
ama we say no maybe mudro no
sure
eniema say na wo say minya
sure
but esan say mi hu sa kwan ni nti no ama a limit me for baby a me wono
and to share book na you are about 25 chapters in a book and easy say ubenya book 25 chapters all because there is a lot in the book now the question na me answer to the question me what chapter about what the title of the chapter is how to create how to leverage on your job to create wealth ekwan obefa so obe create other source of income and nam wadwuma na wo ye na so
ane chapter sen ya na obi wo hono na se o kenkan no hu chapter kro na
okay enti me wo first, they have about 12 chapters kasa about salary and how to create other source of income. And from that place, so kasa about how to create other sources of income using business, and I say the entrepreneurship portal, and I say other sources of on pese obebi ejuma. But there are other means I'll bet me this can investment do obey ya bit me the other income there aba into no into share as in chapter 21 creating wealth by leveraging on your job. Inti adwuma na we no ebia we teacher ebia we nurse ebia we banker wadwuma na mu se wo nimdie bi ka ho a ewo buku ma obetun se me teacher but senya salary nkwa na metumi di me teaching skills no aye other things dia en conflict with medjuma no but the bebre me other sources of income. Yes, okay. That is what I want to say.
Na say obia kenkan book no wo hu se no nimdie a wenya a free book nim no
okay
ya ade e beboa no
okay
but ono so hwe ne ho a oni the financial supporter e betumi ama me bi adwuma opese o de ka na adwuma no ho no
okay
oni sa financial support no
okay
nti eno no be ne den
okay on say me one chapter bi wa ha say me one chapter bi wa ha the 3 essentials needed for success chapter 5 inti yeah, they say all that we need to succeed is money. But I want to tell you that you don't need money first to succeed. Because if I give you money now the money will go. And they have chapter 5, 3 essentials needed for success. The first essential is be. Be, you know, you uche verb, you verb you auxiliary verb, your friend of be, have and do. So the verb be nature say one, you have to first become aware of yourself, become aware of your potentials and your possibilities, become aware of your environment. If you become aware, then the second step is have the necessary requirement, have the necessary skills that relates to who you are. And the ABR, what you have become aware say, oh dear, and he said ube potentials now we're bringing it to the limelight. After that, the next step, and he say you have to have the necessary skills, the necessary requirements. Will say answer. Answer and the third one, you do. The third verb you do. And you have be, have, and do. But yet they focus now. I say do no. But if you don't become, you cannot do. And if you don't have, you cannot do. And the first one is being, the second one is having, and the third one is doing. Then you focus now. I say miheska. But when man umaniska, no nimdo this can be ya. A very problem. But to come to your question, what chapter 20. Okay, chapter 16, 20 businesses to start without money. When you say with your current area you will me, there are so many businesses I'll bet start here uniska.
The society I will me.
Okay.
It say obi o wosika ye bu say ono na why successful than obi or rich mind.
Okay.
Because some people think say obi wosika or successful pa than say obi say o wonim die na obetumi dey ade aye niema.
Okay.
And see how are you going to convince and I say obi catch obi say enye sika na ade a ehia pote na emum nimdie a emudo ene hia.
Okay. The mechanic say Ubia obey successful bia started with a change of mind. In two kinds of say, say you don't need money to succeed. Ubia no say you don't need money to succeed. You need money, but what I want to say is that it starts with a change of mind.
Okay.
In Tina book, the subtitle is how to free yourself from the salary mentality and create your own world. It starts with a change of mind. Me find say me why me university. Me say me university need here. I was me train no be farm adwuma and sana master time making. But the book ne person che say because say e sad dream e be atu dream. But when you change of mind now say no, even after completing school no, it will be make to me a start make to me a ja school no kwa minya obi ma ne farm adwuma bit mama make money. Obi won so a when you be na fa adwuma. But then say adwuma na wanya na no nko na also stay.
Okay.
But with this book no say no, there are other things that you can do. Basically say wosika bibria wudi eden. I have one here the 20 businesses to start without money, no. The first one, import and export.
Okay.
Okay, let me come here. When him say, yeah, kase money in this book, no, the book is loaded. Question about this chapter was there's one chapter sources of sources of capital. The kase capital say ni na sika. Capital ni na sika. Capital ni sika. We have a capital called integrity. When him say me wo hwe obi enim say nipa we ni shop ni or no kwafo metimi ene importation bebraba the nipa no create group na opposite enyoma no be bi obenya import na e dey group nim because say unim me na unim say me shop ni na o trust me nti I have that capital called integrity unim say nipa we ondwane nipa we megini di o trustworthy and they was say or to ade abreme na bia 2 weeks time ade ba bedru a month ade ba bedru gade ni say ya because say megini di nti no sa trust and sa integrity no capital enunti e betina ma odu sika ama me ama to ade abreo me wo me importation of motor bicycles. Inti because any pan say we minimum no shop ni ondwane we oye asori eni me na kwa asori inti no ontwantro inti metimi ubetimi eni pa bebre bam shop otima 10,000 say okay me pay motor we ma post you my status minisika ma post motor ni wo my status motor ni 10,000 betima ba no ma me 10,000 betima ma me say okay g 8,000 e ba e bia 8,000 e ba na bia me profit 2,000 inti metimi import motor na ba onim say onim nti beba na aba and no I didn't start with money. I started with integrity. Well, I started with the capital of trust because any pani mean no or trust me in the capital is not all about anything. Our problem is lack of knowledge and I say insufficient knowledge. I bema ya started BB. I say it's all about the media pass with school. But the only pass with school means different from the only succeed in life.
Okay.
Yes. And then you raise questions, they say, oh, Jano, and I will need they say there are many people that they started from somewhere. And then I'll go to billionaire be or say I'm starting from zero or bois. Because you see, I can say I'm not a billionaire, but with the mentality and the mindset that I have, I know where I'm going. Into a Chinebi, if you know, say I have gotten there, I didn't start with doing, I started with becoming and having. I became aware of my environment, of myself, of my potentials, what is in me. And I started learning towards it, acquiring the necessary skills and the certificates that I need to acquire. And I began to do.
That is a okay. Ansana obetua na mobia na say ohun strength no potentials and
sure
obetumi aye
sure you have to know what is within you, what is around you before you do something. My main story be a book we my very profound and show ma maybe no here juma restaurant and I yi na di free restaurant na the last salary a man because you focus in na say you are na catch and say so be for juma e ma unya idia ene no unya sto be obia no de ko hu en sofo o de ko hu ni sofo na o catch and say this year yi na die free juma mu be kunu su ni wa ka me ne mema we na ye bidi na ye die wu
okay
ana so from catch and so on kana kuma antoniem nipa no ni ndim ko catch and so on kana kuma antoniem no so men kama kuma antoniem say me salary a aka ni ye yi na di wi am na mema ye be di me no se to boase enti let's come to be, have and do no and no bisa ne say then e di adwuma na wo ye e wo restaurant wo and no say na oye obeki cakes oye caterer to ton cakes ni short bread ni sanyo manoma and no say oh okay that means say in you have that baking ability no that means become aware and no bisa ne say enti apart from say usala wie kuta we dey adibio na wo ewofie no so no small oven bi me dey toton e kakra ne memedi am de no so okay that means oven wo honom. 1 you have become aware of what is within you, you can bake. 2 you have become aware of your surrounding, you have an oven a bit immediato pan. But you follow me, pa. And that means why you have become aware. But me focus now say in doing a better than minister, but who say okay, or baking ability or sao oven no, and any panakacho and say adetia on fast salary na ye de man onyimu kakra na on baking short bread ni cakes ni bi no nkwa adwuma na no wom no fa nkochiche obia no say e better na makochiche sa. That is the knowledge of reading. Because unima okay and now kind say the menye but later no jitu no koye and no kochiche no betina say the following day onya 10 orders the next day no onya 10 orders one because nipa ni nim emu nim ni say no o adwuma we na oye two oye bi de be che o mu wa moka bia one oye she became aware of what is in her. She became aware of what is in her surrounding. Then she started to do. Or yet the kwache omu. No niska or this party here. But amount for a man order because a year omo de. No who say why you be paying? Why they are bromo? They started to give her order. She didn't start with money, and she became one of the biggest bakers in her town. Or starting making money out of. But the mentality and science say, and this is a Mokotana application will be for Safa but when him say, Sekakrana, it wouldn't any ni ovin kakrano, obetini and making something out of it. But in Gobabet, Nefia Besusa will Niska go via school when Yajuma. That means a son named Diano one and one of the Quajuman and your own first son named Diano. Yes, but no name. And yes, an encounter with the manner with changing the mentality. Say it's not all about say. Be an employer. You can start something. You can learn a skill. You move to do a saying the other about quite having one of the chapters I book when we say you move to do a saying every SHS. Now what if you say or trains over university. Now also BB or mission this making, mission hairdressing, mission wig making, mission tailoring, and I say mission welding on yet. We SS no kwade also go university and we university or chance to be fan we the national service abin tin na we national service no go start bibi sister also we SHS yenya fa onko university. I'm not saying say don't go to school but yenya fa onko what forms enye abin tin na won start bibi enti ade ba kwa a pushing mametro book we say after SHS I failed matro wasi 2 no deck 3. Okay. What's it 2 no deck 3? After SHS me failure and me failing maths and I was writing. But the boy me say I had the opportunity to stay with my brother and he was a fashion designer. And he na me boba na kakra. And I realized I didn't na me tifi na metro wasi na metro no deck he means adwuma no. And na me disua Inti no nyina no na me de school. Inti time me pursue me training college education nyina me be fia na me say polish me nsa no. But inti nka me tena fie nkwa ye say me pesa me tro was na me twa. Ebia nka I wouldn't have gotten the experience of designing no. Inti at times you failure and at times ade when you say a delay no, it is an opportunity for us to excel. And that failure no gives me that opportunity to learn other things and to have this opportunity to what to excel. You understand? Yeah.
Pushing for this internet and come to channel at very and as me did say a near ma would say any in some way would for book ye hundred did say one casa when yaje na me pacho book never out.
Okay, Avena Meya Wajuma, but almost it is almost out by first Sunday of November.
First Sunday of November.
And book no ever out. Yes.
Now say first Sunday of November. Na book no ever out. The slavery.
Salary is slavery by Sapon Emmanuel. Salary is slavery. Free yourself from the salary mentality and create your own work.
Yeah, you know. Me did say enchena abedwaso. Na onso wakwa ko book ni bia na so wakwa ko tobi. Na onso wahu. Nimdie nyina all kano. Onso wahu. Sa de nyina wo na onso de bia eden abobra anase wo manso otumi de bia eden because once dodo na wo obi tumi ka se meme de baby a medu ni de ase me ya agba akokora na me agba abrewa na so mi wo me nana bi anase me wo faase bi enne na afi no so ba metumi ato akoye den e de akwa command ni nyina no onso be
oh sure said o kan emubu wo hono ma obu wo ha book ni mo me sure bibi wo mi se on se Africa yen study nipa potentials yen study your talents but the name ma me pesa akwa ni ye no akwa no kwa wie JHS a uni career guidance dia ni parents nso enim hwe akwa bi wo no ma wo wie school no or show interest in artisan once akwa bi of the partner otwitwa of we na oye ni se over we no ge kanu mabom nti akwa na wie na de na won study akwa ni potential and the talents na umane nkoye bia technical course bi na umane nkoye course bi wo SHS a ebeboa no abringing the potentials o nipa nkoye general arts onkoye science o me doctor na ye the same mentality na eden a share manage nti awofo no se ye kan no maybe na ye hu no maybe a ye betimi ehu na ya boa enchima na omo nso ye dede omo eba no and it will really help.
Mr. Sapon, isi edian na o ka kire obi a o hwe yen se efa buku yen ho edian na o ka kire npa kro se anase hia ne se onya anase buku yi ba outer ne nsa ekebi no edian na o ka kire npa kro.
Oh, thank you. The kaka meka ne se buku yi enye buku a ebe criticize nipa, but book ni book a push ma wo ye bibi. Book ni book a ma won relax with where you are, and na a favor will be a say usiki career guidance to go to school. Book will be wow. Say we salary earner o pese created a source of income. Book will be wow. And say we school you don't know the path to navigate. Book will be wow. And we also o pese we bibi kan de o ye no, but on pese obi bi adwuma. Obi wo honso so a opese onya other source of income onye involved in book we be directed and a book when you book babe motivate you say I'm a motivational speaker or say no, me I'm not a motivational speaker, a personal experience and encounter and other knowledge I've gotten from different sources and I've ingrained it into this book. Into kanya as you are reading it will be directing you into share the chapters in this book are a very powerful chapter B a very strong and very powerful what you say modu na nipa na oye forward in ma me no so obi a oye CEO obi a oye employment for obi a oye businessman oye CEO of a very great bank na one salary omo di salary bebre anya encounter obi wo ho a yeyi na di free adwuma mu a within 3 months we say or struggle because when you invest in BBA, because in this book, your pathways to creating wealth. Book one, either say we use salary, two, either say we create one kasa business be, and I say three we invest it, and I say for a free be intellectual property. Intellectual property this is book ya mature. Obi also need to hear nyonto. Obi also bit mature poems and in the book we bio muma. And yes, we no, a show baby crowd bit me invest. Ubu or crowd unim say, Missika Craban, obit my investments be yet as see a yakase, Ubu or crana or 21st century moon, unim so bit my investing in Apple company. As at now, why, meanwhile, no investment or companies no man be more. I do or Ghana, I do other places. And to me, say, I'm not a billionaire, but I know where I've put some monies are a bit book we how to create things and start and yes a book and yet brony natural or then the context a hase ankasa ye de into some chapters na kakra bi so na a day a yikaka eba. In the first one, meaning and origin of salary. The second chapter, understanding your worth and value. Wow. And 3, rich people are not salary earners. 4, why most salary earners are poor. 5, no, the 3 essentials needed for success. And the 3 chapter 6, 3 types of income you must activate. No. One can say, be a whole year, Juma Baku, Ubet may be a Juma Baku, you know, I employ a month for Ubet me to discover baby and also be blue sky. I mean, say, oh, yeah, Juma 5. No, Ubet my Juma Baku, you know, but you can put money in other places and I'll bet me be a Juma involve other people are. It will bring a source of income. Feel say, once you use money every day, you should have money every day. And I say there should be cash flow every day because you're sorry, edenya medicane ba fuel ko medware na isuso na isunsu light esiso enti sika ko enti wontimi ntwan enti book ni mu ye calculation be any breakdown. The book is very loaded. Ye calculation be any breakdown be one say o get 3,000 cedis a month ye calculate e breaking it down at the by week at the by day at the by hour o check it the oje na what o transportation a frame now what you feed in a frame o check here at the end of the month say if it can make you rich and I say cannot indeed having a salary and you're bad but you can do other things in addition to it and also so when you have the chance to go to school to become a salary earner, don't feel less privileged. And I meant not to say, oh, train 5 years, 4 years, up to invest about the year, Juma. No, you were a colleague in the bureau, no matter my issue, Juma, no more say. But yeah, of course, goodbye, no, or maybe university, they have their masters, but we send them money. You understand? It's not all about, and the people that are making it big, they are the entrepreneurs. People are master to be big, or the youth no shouldn't stay. And phone here, phone here it can make us a lot of money, but you need only say 2013 we school now one YouTuber is Felix.
Okay.
No, YouTube course na that is only say YouTube your problem is say we don't want to pay into classes. You bet your extra courses. You bet your books. We want to do. Maybe I'll tell YouTube now to create a YouTube channel. But if you don't become and have, and then the second day you have to have knowledge until you go to for the YouTube classes and I'm starting say me uploading your in my own interest. They are interested me. I am into church. I am into me started say me religious nyoma kaka. Over time no YouTube channel no grew to become big. With like I say I minister me started juma, but they be auto credit or bundle. Sa bundle no they will download no for be uploaded to YouTube. Kaka with time for be shama and you start earning something from there. The book is loaded. How into bit magazine I no start here juma I have about 20 over here. Yeah. And I can tell you say it is real.
Okay. I was for we did say we the ya main o book yimu. And man me do yimu so ya main papa. Na sisi ane say obi pese oye pre-order. Send aka say every November obi pese oye pre-order. No contact ni say obetumi.
Okay, obi pese oye pre-order book no me upload or Amazon.
Okay.
Into Amazon, obetumi akwa Amazon Kindle so ube hu ono. Obetumi akwa Amazon no frame number no so 0240 109198.
Did say number now or and one go screen as no.
Obetumi so send me email sirsaline@gmail.com. Sirsaline SIRSAALINE@gmail.com. Your publisher being so no share no per se one publish book no na you making it bigger obetimi abane atnase then we start from there and you know frame number na obetimi so WhatsApp me you can pre-order we also per se and enye book ne keke we train the youth we speak to the youth so zinti asori entity bi o per se ye youth ne be kasa o per se ye ne church be kasa o per se ye school students be kasa
career club bi o from
ambition go school wa career guardians obetimi aba enye say we dey keke I also have certificates backing what I do and you know we bet my friend na ya no atwetwe nkomo na di nkomo but what I want to say is say book way it just will be enya bi. So your salary earner, you have to have some. We a student, we a JHS, SHS, also unyebi. We a CEO, also unyebi. We a entrepreneur, also unyebi. We a investor, also unyebi. Or you invest, you don't know what to do, also unyebi. Obi wo honum kwa na odwen sabrabo na bewie ye ehose unyebi. Obi won so a or a coach, career coach, world coach, also unyebi book way it entails a lot. A lot has gone into this book.
Fenya bra sapon kano mea owie ya wose meje de kutano no because enyamba out dey because me say me nyam kokoto bi ntin meje de woni hono na say echire say bad ya na me ne de akoma no na ma order foforo nti me say onso obetumi akọ Amazon no so na onso send ya okan wa onso akọ told you was an answer over free numbers na that screen as in now so why pre-order na also when ya unsa account there and you say do be dupe na say unsa account there so say November na dey na say book no launch no aba me dey say endu ona ansha ye nyina ye be ko na ya kwakote echi na ya mamo ye insight ewo eniema o de bebre yenso ewo ntasafo.
Okay.
Yeah, say
lastly no.
Yeah.
Be say me ka lunch no wasam kakra.
Okay.
E be lunch book no.
Okay.
Na me mpanifo ba ko bi mbe dim komo na in fact obia waso book ni mbia kan bia no eni je hu nti shock me say mpanifo me call mani mu bia eje me wo pepam o hwe title na be ka say nipa we dey bia o ye salary earner nti wo hu title na be ka say o pese o kan bia ya but title no pursue ma we read book no and we reading so a timpanifo be brajatum na plan say be no course auditorium on Odumasi Senior High auditorium and as a great hall November until luncheon the first Sunday of November to be bia or show me biano panifo be brain na eba adwuma mu mpanyimfo entrepreneurs mo agidi no mo so start o adwuma nkakra agro eba enti book launch no ebe youth empowerment and a book launch enti no offer number na ebe ma o the correct directions and say time and venue for the launching now so number na I share
it. Me did say flyers ni na kwa.
Oh yeah, sure. Flyers are almost ready.
Mr. Sapon.
Yes sir.
Yeah, that is say etun safra won so de osie ayoyo.
Sure.
Na one ye ne yahwefo ababetwetwe nkomo.
Sure.
Na wakan niema onso ode boa amansan.
Yeah.
Ebeka se nyankopon hira. Na ekoso eye niema oye no. Mjiri se adie a odi abe adie asebiu ebe boa yen titiru eni ye youth na.
Sure.
Yenso yewo oman mu no. Because edumra yaka se youth fon pe akenkan no. Samre na etwem
na wo say ye sili sade.
Wo say ambre you know na youth na wo say sorry.
Sure.
Na yeso ye bibi ma ya ho because wo hwe oman mu kra enwuma bebre na anase nipa bebre na de omo ho ekọ aban so.
Yes.
Ama load no so ekọ aban so ni enwuma
there be that capacity so bit my employee obia.
Ankwankra
sure.
Kwa na develop your mind.
Sure.
They say the way ya be dey because say ye da ase.
Sure.
When you help phone so e be to trace ankomo we.
Okay. So me da say mo tunsa frame na mo platform yi so promote eboa de na me say obia inside the book ni bia no will forever be grateful to you and to me as well. There are a lot of things in the book. No chapter be why reasons why you should start your own business. About 10 reasons, and they are very on point. They don't push you on what I can see. That was say the book is very loaded in your day. Now friends all from me a bet you come on. Never shall your phone now. God bless you.
Abusia. There is a munina matie de Mr. Sapon at the bray no. Wan kasa mu say ne chirechire mu ene ensem o kan unya kuranken kan book no naso kakre ya wakenkan kire wi bigiri se bo say yes e wo say wo pre na unya book ni bi etufie enye se wo de tufie nko a wo san kenkan na wo hu niempa a e wo mu ti se ne nso wo pese wo ye pre order ana se nso pese unya book ni bi etufie na wo ma ene wo busuafo nyina ekenkan a sabe number na ode amano eno na gu screen ase no etwago screen ase no na won so wafre na wa contact Mr. Sapon na se ne be ya onsa ebe kan buku no na won so sa mi gidi se be bia wo bia enye problem be bia wo bia enye problem se wo Ghana se wo hemfa de hia ne se wo be place order onsa ebe kan bibia na onso odi buku no edijuma esan se ene se onso oye obia wo wadwuma ne fro siwa ede chense de bia no obehye obia se na enyema wonya no enye sa na onso kra epe era mu nyina amase se de bia mokoso na mo follow yen na mo de yachi na mo support Tatale TV mo so vo Tatale me na de dwumedie no chame anasem de dwumedie no ebrel samri nipa nso a ogina camera na chi and enlightening and the sound and also Ernesto Papa no energy na camera no echi era mu nyina amase edemo ebisi hanamo na kasa koso na Tatale TV on the public edemamo edemas